My name is Frank Montgomery.
Okay, Frank, thank you very much for your time. We wanted to transition a little bit into telling the audience why did you start FMJ Electrical and why was it important for you to start an electrician company?
I started FMJ Electrical Contracting Inc. Working as a telecommunications technician in one of the largest pediatric hospitals in the world brought joy to me, as I found out later, by making sure that everyone had working devices, telephone systems, nurse call systems, that they were able to communicate with the outside.
So you gained passion by providing these services for juveniles.
Uh, yeah, children.
Okay. All right. So tell us a little bit about what was the maturation? What was the transition? How did you start FMJ Electrical? What made you start the company? I hear you when you say that you worked in this telecommunications hospital, but what else? What problem did you look to solve?
Well, the problem that I found out I didn't know till later, until I had to call a technician out to my home, or an electrical company out to my home to do some work, and I realized that they moved kind of fast, and after they left, I realized that the work was kind of unprofessional.
So let me just stop you right there. Are you saying that you couldn't find quality, experienced electricians to service your home in North Philadelphia?
Correct.
So because of that, you started your own electric company?
I started my own electrical company. Actually, I wasn't. My office is in West Philly. My office is in North Philly now, in Brewery Town. But actually, I was living in Southwest Philadelphia when I called someone out to do a repair for me at my home, and that's when I realized that I could do it better.
So you realized that there was a problem with getting quality technicians out to your home in North Philadelphia, and you wanted to change this, and you wanted to solve the problem, and you started FMJ Electrical.
Right.
Okay. And FMJ Electrical's core slogan is what?
No matter the load, we do it by code.
And what does that mean?
That means that when we come into your home, that you can sleep comfortable, because everything is done by state regulations, city regulations. We do constant training. We bring that into your home. We make sure that when we leave, that you're safe.
Okay. So we noticed that you've been working with the city of Philadelphia for the last 18 and a half years. And you touched a little bit about when you started your business that you couldn't find quality electricians to service your neighborhood, and that was the reason why you started your business. So tell us a little bit about how you have been working with the city over the last 18 years and how you have been changing and addressing and working with low-income families.
Well, we've been working with HUD for 18 plus years, and we've been going in the same community that I'm from, where I couldn't get quality patient work in, and it's just areas that a lot of contractors don't want to come into. So we provide those same professionalism as we would in an affluent neighborhood.
So you saw a problem that people in low-income areas weren't being taken care of? They weren't being serviced properly?
I noticed that the work wasn't done to a professional level. It was just done.
So you said, we're going to take this into our own hands, and no matter the load, every job we're going to do is going to be based off of code.
Absolutely.
Okay, I definitely like that, and we think that FMJ Electrical and the way that they're going about servicing the community, we think that they bring a lot of value. And what I wanted you to do is I wanted you to tell some of your customers or anyone that's referring customers how they can get in contact with you.
Well, they can get in contact with us through social media, all the social media platforms, our website at fmjelectrical.com. What else? They can Google us. I don't know, any platform.
It looks like you have an extensive history working with Yelp, and it looks like you guys have a lot of reviews. So tell us a little bit about what the process is on servicing the customer.
Well, on servicing the customer, we make sure that, we're professional from the time we pull up to your door and we park our vehicle right in front of your home. Not in your driveway, pull up beside your home. And from the time we come up to your door, knock on your door, and enter your home and leave your home, we should be 100% professional at all times. And if you're not, we would like to hear about it.
Okay.